Hey guys, it's Walter, and currently today we are going to a lake in the middle of the city. So I'm currently at Taman Tasik Titiwangsa, which is also known as the Titiwangsa Lake Garden. And I just parked my car, and we're gonna try to fly our drone here. So it's a really sunny day here today, and since it's a weekday, so there's no one here. Perfect for me to get a drone shot actually. So this is how the lake actually looks like. It's huge. It's my first time here, so I'm not very sure what to expect. But the skies are pretty clear and there's less obstacles around this area. Flying drones in this area is that you have to avoid people, you have to avoid some of the obstacles. So if there's a lot of trees, it's gonna be a trouble for us. But apparently, not much obstacles here. Kind of like this place. But we'll see. Apparently, if you walk towards this side, there's a very nice view of KLCC and several other buildings. You can see over there, right? That's KLCC. Pretty nice view from here. And just behind this tree, there is actually KL Tower and the new Menara Maybank, which is used to be called as the Merdeka Tower. But I don't think we can see from here lah. So we're gonna move back a little bit and possibly fly the drone up there and see how it looks like. So apparently this park is really huge. Like this lake gardens, it's a huge lake in the middle. And as you can see towards this side, there's like even a bigger portion of the lake. The view is kind of nice, just that it's a little bit sunny now. And it's really hot here. So if you want to fly a drone here, or perhaps just walk around during evenings, it's just kind of nice though. Yeah, I'll probably just fly the drone around here because I think this is a perfect spot. Apparently there's no shaded area around here and it's really sunny. But I found myself in this very nice, bamboo plant spot. Yeah, so I think this will provide me some shade lah. If not, then I will actually burn under the sun. Yeah, so I'm gonna fly my DJI Lito X1 here and my DJI Avata too, just to give you a perspective of this lake and to show you whether this lake is nice for you to walk around, or perhaps maybe just to fly a drone around. Yeah, we'll see. So let's go. So we have 2 drones here today. I brought my Lito X1. Alright, I'm not very sure if I fully charged this, but I will see. So we'll try to fly the Lito X1 first to see the entire area, and then we're going to take some pictures. And then I'm going to fly my DJI Avata too. The footage from the DJI Lito X1. You can see that there's actually quite a beautiful view in Taman Tasik Titiwangsa. I think this is a place where you can actually fly a drone and get some very nice shots. Next, I'm going to try to fly the DJI Avata 2 just to give you a FPV kind of view, and you can judge and see which footage is actually better for you. I personally prefer FPV over the angled drone, but you know, why not just try both? Let's go! Cool over here is that they have this helipad right over here, and perhaps we can take off from there. Oh! Water fountain started to operate already. Kinda cool though. Yep, so I'm gonna lift off my Avata from there at the helipad, and we'll just take a look around this area. So you got an Avata. Let's go. Alright, so flying the DJI Avata 2 in Taman Tasik Titiwangsa. Let's go.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the you're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch
Yep, so that's the FPV view of the entire area of the Taman Tasik Titiwangsa. So I think it's pretty fun to fly around here if you have a FPV drone, or even just an angled drone. You can actually just, you know, take nice shots in this area. My first time here, and I think I'll definitely be back here to get some nicer shots, because today is just a test run. So I hope you guys like the video. Sub to like it, thumbs up. Thank you guys. See you guys again. Peace.